In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot so you can track performance, hold your team accountable, and hit your targets with confidence. If you're using HubSpot for sales, setting up revenue goals properly is one of the most important things you can do to stay on track throughout the month, quarter, or year. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from creating the goal to monitoring progress inside the dashboard. And if this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu and click on Reports. In the drop-down menu, select Goals. This is where all your sales and revenue goals are managed. To create a new goal, click the Create Goal button in the top right corner. HubSpot will now ask you to choose the type of goal you want to create. In most cases, you'll select Revenue Goal, which tracks the total revenue closed. You may also see options like Sales Goal or Forecasting Goal depending on your subscription. For this tutorial, choose Revenue Goal and continue. Next, you'll need to configure the goal. Start by giving your goal a clear and descriptive name. For example, you might name it 2026 Q1 Revenue Target or Monthly Sales Revenue Goal. Naming it properly makes it easier to track later, especially if you create multiple goals. Now select the pipeline you want this goal to apply to. For most teams, this will be your primary sales pipeline. After that, choose the deal stage that counts as closed revenue. Typically, this is the closed won stage, but make sure you select the stage that reflects finalized revenue in your process. Then choose your measurement type. For revenue tracking, select Revenue. If you wanted to track the number of deals instead of dollar amounts, you could choose Count of Deals, but for revenue goals, keep it set to Revenue. Next, set the time period for your goal. You can choose monthly, quarterly, or yearly depending on how you measure performance. Some HubSpot plans also allow custom date ranges. For example, if you want to track monthly performance across the year, select monthly. If you're focusing on bigger targets, quarterly or yearly might make more sense. After selecting the time frame, you'll assign the goal. You can assign goals to individual users, specific teams, or even the entire organization. If you're managing a sales team, this is where you can set individual quotas. Each user or team can have unique target amounts, or you can assign the same shared target across everyone. Now it's time to set the target amounts. Enter the revenue target for each selected period. For example, if you chose monthly tracking, you'll enter a revenue target for each month. If you assign the goal to multiple users, you can input separate revenue numbers for each person. Take your time here and make sure the amounts align with your company's overall revenue objectives. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your revenue goal is now active inside HubSpot. Now let's talk about how to monitor your revenue goals. To view progress, go back to Reports and then click Goals. Select the goal you just created. Inside the goal dashboard, you'll see a visual progress bar that shows how close you are to hitting your target. You'll also see your attainment percentage, which tells you what percentage of the goal has been achieved so far. Below that, you can view the total revenue closed, the remaining amount needed to hit the target, and a breakdown by user or team. This breakdown is especially helpful if you're managing multiple reps and want to quickly see who is on track and who may need additional support. As deals move into the close won stage, HubSpot automatically updates the go progress in real time. That means you don't have to manually adjust anything as long as your pipeline and deal stages are set up correctly. And that's it. You now know how to create and monitor revenue goals in HubSpot step by step. Setting up goals properly gives you clear visibility into performance and helps your team stay focused on what matters most, closing revenue. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot and CRM tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.